Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF. AWS CAF enables you to accelerate your cloud-powered digital business transformation. It identifies a specific organizational capabilities that are required for successful cloud transformations. It is an important framework that one must understand before starting cloud migration journey. We'll discuss various perspectives, benefits, and use cases of AWS CAF as well as how AWS CAF works. As a result, one must gain complete understanding of AWS CAF and successfully migrate applications to the AWS cloud. AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF, is an important framework and we must understand before we start cloud migration journey. The AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF, leverages AWS experience and best practices to help you digitally transform and accelerate your business outcomes through innovative use of AWS. AWS CAF identifies specific organizational capabilities that underpin successful cloud transformations. These capabilities provide best practice guidance that helps you improve your cloud readiness. AWS CAF groups its capabilities in 6 perspectives: business, people, governance, platform, security, and operations. Each perspective comprises a set of capabilities that functionally related stakeholders own or manage in the cloud transformation journey. Use the AWS CAF to identify and prioritize transformation opportunities, evaluate and improve your cloud readiness, and iteratively evolve your transformation roadmap. Now let's talk about the capabilities and perspectives of AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF. Capabilities of AWS CAF provide best practice guidance that helps you improve your cloud readiness. Perspectives of AWS CAF comprise capabilities that functionally related stakeholders own or manage in your cloud transformation journey. In other words, the framework helps you identify and prioritize transformation opportunities, evaluate and improve cloud readiness, and iteratively evolve transformation roadmap. The organizational capabilities for successful cloud transformations are grouped in the following 6 perspectives: business perspective, people perspective, governance perspective, platform perspective, security perspective, and operations perspective. Let's explain each of these perspectives of organizational capabilities. Business perspective. The business perspective ensures cloud investments accelerate transformation goals and business outcomes. In other words, the transformation must be done as fast as possible and the business objectives are achieved. Common stakeholders are Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Chief Financial Officer, CFO, Chief Operations Officer, COO, Chief Information Officer, CIO, Chief Technology Officer, CTO, and cross-functional and enterprise-wide leaders. People perspective. The people perspective evaluates skills, requirements, and roles in the organization. It ensures that right skills, competence, and processes in place for migration. In other words, it helps to implement necessary changes or improvements. Common stakeholders are Chief Information Officer (CIO), Chief Operations Officer (COO), Chief Technology Officer (CTO), and Cloud Director. Governance perspective. The governance perspective helps migration while maximizing benefits of the organization and minimizing risk related to the transformation. Common stakeholders are Chief Transformation Officer, Chief Information Officer (CIO), Chief Technology Officer (CTO), Chief Financial Officer (CFO), Chief Data Officer (CDO), and Chief Risk Officer (CRO). Platform perspective. The platform perspective helps to build enterprise-grade, scalable, hybrid cloud platform. It helps to modernize existing workloads. It also helps to implement new cloud-native solutions. Common stakeholders are Chief Technology Officer, CTO, technology leaders, architects, and engineers. Security perspective. The security perspective helps to achieve the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and cloud workload. Common stakeholders are Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, Chief Compliance Officer, CCO, internal audit leaders, and security architects and engineers. Operations perspective. The operations perspective ensures that cloud services are delivered at a level that meets the needs of the business. Common stakeholders are infrastructure and operations leaders, site reliability engineers, and information technology service managers. Now let's talk about the benefits of AWS CAF. The AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF, leverages AWS experience and best practices to help you digitally transform and accelerate your business outcomes through innovative use of AWS. As a result, AWS CAF offers the following benefits for an organization: reduce business risk, improve environmental, social, and governance performance, grow revenue, and increase operational efficiency. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of AWS CAF. Reduce business risk. You can lower your risk profile through improved reliability, increased performance, and enhanced security. Improve environmental, social, and governance performance. AWS CAF leverages AWS experience and best practices that helps you leverage insights to improve sustainability and corporate transparency. Grow revenue. You can create new products and services, reach new customers, and enter new market segments. Increase operational efficiency. You can reduce cost of operations, increase productivity, and improve employee and customer experience. Now let's talk about how AWS CAF works. The AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF, leverages AWS experience and best practices to help you digitally transform and accelerate your business outcomes through innovative use of AWS. AWS CAF identifies specific organizational capabilities that underpin successful cloud transformations. These capabilities provide best practice guidance that helps you improve your cloud readiness. AWS CAF improves the following areas of your migration capabilities: envision, align, launch, and scale. Let's explain each of these work areas. Envision. AWS CAF helps you identify and prioritize transformation opportunities in line with your strategic objectives. Associating your transformation initiatives with key stakeholders and measurable business outcomes will help you demonstrate value as you progress through your transformation journey. Align. AWS CAF helps you identify capability gaps and cross-organizational dependencies. Doing so will help you create strategies for improving your cloud readiness, ensure stakeholder alignment, and facilitate relevant organizational change management activities. Launch. AWS CAF helps you deliver pilots in production and demonstrate incremental business value. Pilots should be highly impactful, and when successful, they will influence future direction. Learning from pilots will help you adjust your approach before scaling to full production. Scale. AWS CAF helps you expand pilots and business value to desired scale and ensure that the business benefits associated with your cloud investments are realized and sustained. Excellent. Now let's talk about the use cases for AWS CAF. AWS CAF supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers, technology, process, organization, and product. Let's explain each of these use cases for AWS CAF. Technology. Migrate and modernize legacy infrastructure, applications, and data and analytics platforms. Cloud value benchmarking shows that migrating from on-premises to AWS leads to a 27% reduction in cost per user, a 58% increase in VMs managed per admin, a 57% decrease in downtime, and a 34% decrease in security events. Process. Digitize, automate, and optimize your business operations. This may include leveraging new data and analytics platforms to create actionable insights or using machine learning to improve your customer service experience, employee productivity and decision-making, business forecasting, fraud detection and prevention, and industrial operations. Organization. Reimagine how your business and technology teams create customer value and meet your strategic intent. Organizing your teams around products and value streams while leveraging agile methods to rapidly iterate and evolve will help you become more responsive and customer-centric. Product. Reimagine your business model by creating new value propositions and revenue models. Cloud value benchmarking shows that adopting AWS leads to a 37% reduction in time to market for new features and applications, a 342% increase in code deployment frequency, and a 38% reduction in the time it takes to deploy new code. In conclusion, AWS Cloud Adoption Framework (AWS CAF) leverages AWS experience and best practices to help you digitally transform and accelerate your business outcomes through innovative use of AWS. AWS CAF identifies specific organizational capabilities that underpin successful cloud transformations. Use AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF, and accelerate your cloud-powered digital business transformation. All stakeholders should be aware of the Cloud Adoption Framework and try to stay focused on how things are going during the migration journey. That's all about AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, AWS CAF. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.